Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashy. I'm here today at 6417 Rosefinch in Summerfield Hollow. It's a new listing that we've got coming on the market, and it's going to be listed at $365. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a 2-car garage, really spacious. In the last 3 years, almost everything has been updated. You've got new wood plank flooring here all along the first floor, new granite countertops, a new stainless steel appliance package. Both of the bathrooms upstairs have been updated along with the powder room. Really cute fixtures here in the kitchen as well. This townhouse community is just off of Lakewood Ranch Boulevard, Summerfield Hollow, maintenance free of course. All the bedrooms are upstairs, so you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs, some nice storage under the stairs here on the first level. Your laundry room is upstairs. You've also got a really pretty and private preserved view here in the back. You've got a nice covered area. It's gonna go very quick at this price point, so give us a call.